Did you know the YouTube algorithm doesn't actually care how old you are, but it does care about what you create? The truth is, many creators over 40 struggle because they unknowingly keep doing things the algorithm hates. So today, I'll reveal exactly what YouTube hates and what it loves, so you can grow your channel with confidence. Let's get into it. If we haven't met, I'm Rob, and I help creators over 40 build successful YouTube channels that actually make some money without the overwhelm. If you've ever felt frustrated that your videos aren't getting traction, you're not alone. It's not about being too old or not techy enough. It's about understanding how YouTube's system works. So in this video, I'll break down the specific behaviors the algorithm punishes, the ones it rewards, and how you can work with it instead of against it. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to create videos YouTube actually wants to promote. Let's start with what the algorithm hates, because if you're doing any of these things, it could be the reason that your channel feels stuck. First is clickbait titles and thumbnails that just disappoint viewers. If your title says, "The secret to losing 20 pounds overnight," but your video is about eating more vegetables, viewers are going to leave pretty fast. YouTube notices that drop off and then it punishes the video. So it's not about tricking people into clicking. It's about making a promise and then delivering on that promise. The second problem is short watch time and poor audience retention. If people click and then they leave after just a few seconds, that's a signal to YouTube that this video is not valuable. And it doesn't matter how polished your editing is. If people don't stick around, the algorithm just won't push it. Third is irregular posting and just general inconsistency. A lot of creators over 40 are juggling jobs and families and other responsibilities, and I get it. And that often leads to posting a video here or there or another one 6 weeks later. And unfortunately, YouTube doesn't love that. Consistency matters more than perfection by far. And even one video a week can help you build up some momentum. The fourth problem is videos that feel like commercials. A lot of businesses are guilty of this. And if your video sounds like an ad, well, people are just going to tune out. They don't like to be sold to. Nobody does, do they? And the algorithm tracks that disengagement. So instead of pushing your services directly, you have to give value first. You have to teach, you have to entertain, and you have to inspire. The fifth problem is ignoring engagement. So if you never respond to comments, or you never ask questions in your videos, or you never encourage interaction somehow, YouTube has a lot less data to know who your content is for. The algorithm thrives on signals, and engagement is one of the strongest. So just to recap, clickbait, poor retention, inconsistency, being overly salesy, and ignoring engagement are all things that YouTube hates. Now, let's flip the script. What does YouTube love? If you focus here, you'll be surprised how quickly your channel can grow, no matter your age. The first thing is videos that keep people watching. Watch time is the king of metrics by far. If your audience stays with you, YouTube rewards you with more reach. And this doesn't mean your video has to be long, it just needs to hold attention throughout. So clear storytelling, good pacing, and removing fluff all can help. Second is consistent uploads. So think of YouTube like a gym membership. If you show up once every few months, you're probably not going to see the results you're hoping for. But commit to a regular schedule, even one video a week, and all of a sudden the algorithm starts to take you more seriously. Number 3 is strong viewer signals. So likes, comments, shares, and people clicking on your thumbnails. These are all really good signs of a healthy video. And YouTube sees those interactions and thinks, gee, people are enjoying this, so maybe we should show it to more viewers. Number 4 is clarity, niche clarity in particular. The algorithm really loves it when it can easily categorize you. And I hate to put people in boxes, but it's something that works well on YouTube. So if one week you post a cooking tutorial and the next is a political rant and the next is a cat video, YouTube isn't going to know what your channel is about. But if you consistently create around one niche, it knows exactly who to recommend your videos to. Number 5, authenticity. This is especially powerful for people who are over 40 in the creator space. You don't need to compete with the 20-year-olds out there doing the viral dances. YouTube loves creators who show up as themselves and share real experiences and build trust. Your life experience is a tremendous advantage. And when you align with what YouTube loves, watch time, consistency, engagement, clarity, and authenticity, you're going to notice growth, even if it's slow and steady rather than explosive. So how do you put all this into practice if you're starting a channel at the age of 40 or 50 or beyond? Well, the first step is to focus on solving real problems. Instead of asking what video will go viral, ask what questions do my audience need answered? People come to YouTube to learn or to be entertained or to solve a problem. So if you meet that need, the algorithm notices. Step 2 is just to keep your content simple. You don't need fancy editing or expensive equipment or flashy effects. What matters most is clarity and value. So speak directly to the viewer like you're having a conversation over a coffee. I'm having a coffee as we speak. Step 3, create what we call bingeable content. So think in terms of a series rather than just a single video. If one video helps a viewer, your next should naturally continue on the journey. And this keeps people on your channel longer, which YouTube rewards. Step 4, embrace engagement. Ask your viewers some good questions and encourage them to commit with their thoughts or their experiences, and then respond to as many comments as possible. I try to respond to all of them. This not only helps the algorithm, but it builds loyalty in your community. Step 5 is play the long game. YouTube is not about overnight success. It truly is a long game. It's about building brick by brick until you have a strong foundation. And as an older creator, patience really is one of your greatest assets. You've already learned in many other ways through experience that success takes time. So here's the truth. The YouTube algorithm does not hate you. It doesn't hate your age. It simply reflects how people respond to your content. If you avoid the things it punishes, clickbait, inconsistency, poor retention, and lean into what it loves, watch time, engagement, clarity, authenticity, you will see growth. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's one change you're going to make in your next video to better align with the algorithm? Drop your answer in the comments. I do respond to as many as I can, as I mentioned. And if you're ready to take the next step, grab my free Over 40 YouTube Starter Pack. It's in the description box below. It's packed with resources to help you launch and grow your channel with confidence. Then check out one of these valuable videos, and I'll see you there.